less than 2 months ago, but now she's citing threats to her personal safety. 13 Action News reporter Jeremy Chen is live. And Jeremy, this comes as new unemployment numbers have just been released, and now there's talk of a lawsuit.
Absolutely, Tricia, and back to that breaking news, of course, certainly just another development when it comes to DETR. So many people calling, wondering where their unemployment payments or PUA payments are. And as far as Heather Korbulik, the Governor Sisolak actually thanking her for her service at DETR, and also mentioning that they're going to try to find another interim director in the meantime. But as far as right now, DETR is saying that they've improved the numbers in terms of claims paid for both unemployment and PUA. However, the attorney I spoke with says he's skeptical of those numbers.
An improvement in payments, the state employment office crediting itself for better numbers on both unemployment and PUA. DETR says for the week ending June 6, about 262,400 regular unemployment claims were paid and about 79,000 PUA claims were paid.
DETR has made great progress in processing both the unemployment insurance and pandemic unemployment assistance claims. Based on automated jobs that we've implemented this past week, we anticipate that both of those numbers will continue to see expedited processing over the next 2 weeks.
However, attorney Mark Thierman disputes the rosy picture.
What's the point of the first step if you're not going to get to the end result, which is payment?
His Reno law firm filed a lawsuit in May demanding DETR open up the PUA website. He's now filing an amended legal complaint demanding DETR begin paying his clients, all of them frustrated PUA claimants. They include rideshare drivers who have had pending issues with their claims.
Who do you drive if there's no tourists in Vegas? Obviously, you're affected by the COVID. You got to be paid according to the statute for your loss.
DETR says most of the pending issues with PUA involve claimants who may be eligible for regular unemployment benefits.
DETR must determine if a claimant has the potential to file for an alternate base period that would allow them to get access to regular unemployment insurance.
Thierman says many of those claimants had regular jobs about 2 to 3 years ago, but weren't in that position before the pandemic, causing holdups in claims.
These are people who actually have some W-2 income in their past, but they really aren't going to get paid by the other program. And instead of just paying you by even the cheaper program, the less program, that would at least cover the $600 and the 181 minimum, they pay you nothing.
DETR says it's been trying to be cautious with potentially fraudulent claims, but Thierman says they should begin payments once claims are approved and then reassess payments if things change.
The cost of adjudicating this is more, it's costing them more to say no than to say yes and take it back.
Now, the attorney says he plans on officially filing that lawsuit in Washoe County Court on Monday. We did reach out to DETR to get their reaction to this pending litigation, but we did not hear back by deadline. Again, Heather Korbulik, the DETR director, interim director, now stepping down as Governor Sisolak thanks her for her service. The agency currently trying to find a new interim director. Jeremy Chen, 13 Action News.